Yeah! Strap in, here we go! Lights flash, gates drop, feel the track shake, heart racing fast, yeah, we're wide awake. From Orlando thrills to the biggest drops, we chase that rush, never gonna stop. Hands up high, feel the wind blow by, every twist and turn, we're touching the sky. Theme park mat, let's ride, feel the rush, no fear inside. From POVs to reviews ahead, if you love the thrill, this is it. Theme park mat, let's go! Fast lanes, lights, big show, every coaster, every track. You know we're coming back.
Your mission briefing is about to begin with Explorer Captain Nova Orion. Mission briefing starting in 3, 2, 1.
Listen up, cadets. We need your help. A giant space rock is zooming towards us. It's the asteroid of probable destruction. We tried zapping the asteroid with a giant laser. We tried catching it with a giant net. But both ingenious plans have mysteriously failed. Over to the man with Plan C. It's our chief engineer, Biff Dipper.
Hey cadets, the C stands for cadet, because Plan C depends on you. The plan is to break up the asteroid by harnessing the most destructive force in the galaxy. Separator. These guys just end up breaking things apart, so let's spend their minutes to get to our force for good. All the separators to the asteroid. Over to Commander Olivia, who we got flights up.
We've located large swarms of separators in space sectors Alpha, Theta, and Charlie. Couldn't get too close. There are more than ever and are likely to separate anything that crosses their path. Jones is telling me to be careful. He's right. You'll need to locate these separator swarms in your spaceships. You have told them that bit, haven't you, Biff?
Just getting there. Okay, cadets. First you need to customize the spacecraft so awesome that it grabs the separator's attention like nothing else. You'll need to make your spacecraft speed too, because as soon as the separators come for you, it's time to go, go, go! Before they can separate you too.
Woohoo! Check me out above! My gravity skates just fizzled out! Hey teammates, drifting in with a hot tip? We're all doing this mission in Cruiser 4. Might be you don't know all your crewmates yet, but let's dive into building together!
Cadets, time is running out. Just remember the 3 S's. 1. Spacecraft. Customize it. Climb aboard. 2. Separators. Locate them. Link them to the asteroid. 3. Safe return. Watch out for wormholes and debris. Get back safe. Got that? Great! Come on, let's go!
All cadets to the engineering bay. Let's get pistons ready.
Time to design our own spaceship.
Engineer. Come in, cadets. Do you read me?
Yes.
As the asteroid of probable destruction is zooming closer to spaceport, it's messing with my signal. I'm sending over blueprints for the basic spacecraft I designed for your mission. Your task is to customize my basic design and then ride it into space, okay? Work together and follow my instructions. Let's hope this signal holds. First, pick the coolest nose design for your spacecraft.
Let's see, we're gonna use this crab one.
Simply stand back and wait for my next instruction. Pick one. Whichever nose is on your spacecraft when the timer runs out is the one we'll...
Actually, now change my mind to this.
Time's up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job, cadets. You picked your first bricks. Now pick the wings. Which design will give you the something you need? Remember, you need wings to...
That was a good design so far.
So they don't catch up with you and do what separators do best. Make your pick in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great wings, cadets. Pressing on. It's time to pick your spacecraft's tail. Tap the screen to try them out. Try different ones.
Yeah, I like that tail. Goes with the color scheme. Yeah, this tail goes with that color scheme I picked.
Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There's just time for one quick final choice. Pick something extra that will really grab the separator's attention. This means they'll chase you to the asteroid. Hurry! Time's up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amazing teamwork, cadets! You did it! Wow! That looks awesome, Rocketeers! Fast and stylish! Quickly, tap your spacecraft key on the reader and it will upload your design to the loading bay so you can go for launch! Tap away, don't delay. Remember, cadets, you need to stay in your teams and work together to save Spaceport!
Super team, let's proceed on mission and come back safe. Our spaceport is depending on you. Awesome! Spacecraft, yes! That just really grabs the separator's attention.
This is cool.
Gasoline, 3, 2, 1, liftoff! Okay!
Okay. Wow.
Sector Alpha ahead. Separator swarm up ahead. A little bit steady. That's a big swarm.
Now her spin goes.
They're right behind you. Quick, let's the asteroid. They're keeping it apart. Stay course, now! Let's get out of here.
Holy.
Whoa! Light speed! Woohoo!
Welcome back! You saved Spaceport!